So in a rather surprising development, we see where former chairman of the Premier League Football Clubs Association, Mr. Chris Williams, has taken his talent to basketball. He's the new chairman of the commercial arm of the National Basketball League, which is basically the basketball equivalent of what he did in Premier League football. And the immediate and obvious question is, why would Chris Williams, a man so passionate about his football, why would he turn his back on the biggest and most popular sport in the country and take his special skills to basketball? One common theory is that there is too much inflated egos and toxicity in football. Mr. Williams ceremoniously walked away from football, but in reality, he was forced out of football. And you all know the saying that that solid stone that was refused by football is set to become the head cornerstone of basketball.